I hope you all are doing well. I have been suffering from a cough. Yesterday it got worse, that's why I couldn't record myself. I thought to take a hiatus for yesterday. However, today I don't want to take again. As I decided to take a 16 days reading challenge, I thought that if I upload that on my YouTube, it may motivate some people. I know that reading is mundane for some people. However, if someone wants to make it interesting and habit, the person must come out from the comfort zone. I'm telling, I am the person who didn't have any kind of reading habit before 2022. However, as I started learning this language, I also got to know from many people that if you start reading books, it is gonna help your English. Simultaneously, it will help you to enhance your thought process. Still, I think that now, from today, I'm not going to read each and every line. I will read some of the lines and I will try to describe the summary of the book and the important vocabulary I will share. Let's see that if my audience like it, I will continue doing it. Every day I do read. Even before starting the recording, I have already read the chapter 3 times. So now I am going to start describing the chapter. At the end, I will share the vocabulary. So please keep watching till the end. The chapter name is Your Mindset Determines Your Future. So everything is our mindset. We all listen to this thing regularly. Our mindset should be positive. If we are skeptical about our potential, we can't do something for a long period of time. We need to have the positive mindset to keep going. The people who are crazy enough to think they can change the world are the ones who do. It has said by Steve Jobs, American entrepreneur and inventor. The people who are crazy to think that they can sense and they become crazy to prove that they do hard work, they're determined, they have the perseverance, resilience. Definitely, it may take longer period of time. They are gonna achieve something. It does not matter how many successful people we meet or how educated we are, our future will be created by now, by how we think, by using our mind the right way. If we have the right mindset, we can take the decision which one is good for us. We need to use our mind. What works for me? If something works for me, it doesn't mean that it is going to work for you. So you have to become wise. You need to contemplate what works for you. What are your potentials and caliber? Then go for it. As a children, we have the influence when we observe our society people from our parents, because our parents, they are also conditioned from the customs, rules of from the society, and they get influence, and from them we also learn. When as a children we go to school, we get the influence from the teachers, from the surrounding and environment of the school, and we become conditioned, we get influence and it changes our behavior. However, when we grow up, we should try to have the strong mindset so that we can show our talent. If we get the negative influence from our surrounding, definitely it is going to ruin our own mindset and in our life, our career. So we should be wise. What works for us, we should not take all the influence, even though it is quite difficult. However, if we become mindful and if we have the positive mindset, if we believe in ourselves, definitely we can change it. Don't be a sheep. Find your own path. So here the author has given the example that we shouldn't become the sheep who always follow the group of sheep. It happens when we see that everyone is doing something, we also try to do that because it becomes easy and we have the anticipation in our mind, then if it is working naturally or it is effortless, then definitely it is going to work for me. But if we try to do something different, then it becomes quite daunting, because we need to explore, we need to become creative, we need to take the risk. So most of the people, what they do, most of the people, what we do, we try to follow the crowd. Be unique. When we follow the crowd and when we try to work together with other people, it is okay, but somehow we don't have our own identity. But when I can do something differently, people will get to know by my identity, by my name, that he or she has done something unique. So we need to try to think that if we have something different, unique quality, I am the person who can know what is my potential, what is my uniqueness. So we all can do that rather than only following other people and being in a group. We can try to understand what is our potential and we can try to work on it. Don't discuss people, discuss ideas. It is our habit, as now it is the era of social media. We see people what they are doing, we observe, we notice that who are getting success quickly. We try to talk about themselves rather than thinking about our own potential and how we can also achieve the success in life. If someone gets the success, I believe that maybe 20% luck is there. However, if the person doesn't work hard, the person didn't get the success. We see the success, however, we don't see the hard work, determination, dedication. We need to become creative. What we can do new. We may fail, but we should explore. It's normal to fail in life. Failure is the pillar of success. However, if someone doesn't take it personally and the person tries to explore new things in life, definitely one day he or she can accomplish success. Now, from this chapter, I am going to share some of the important vocabulary I have found while reading. First one is anticipate. Second one is unforeseen. Third one is heard. Fourth one is figure out. Then undiscerningly, nowhere, inseparable, overshadowed, obsessively. On that note, let's call it a day. Let's see that if you like it, I would like to continue. Thank you so much, everyone. Please don't forget to share, subscribe, like, and comment.